Mercedes Benz is aiming to improve its lineup in the coming years as well as will condense existing models into brand new ones in doing so. One noteworthy instance we need to be seeing in the not-too-distant future would be the CLE Class, which will join the SL Class as the brand name's just exchangeable. Mercedes hasn't made a lot of details concerning the CLE available, but below's what we understand thus far. The future revamped Mercedes lineup will reportedly be a lot more concentrated on high-end as well as SUVs, so there will not be room for several particular niche low-volume vehicles. Therefore, the existing C-Class as well as E-Class convertibles will certainly be combined into one new design, the CLE Class. Mercedes hasn't done a full press release on the CLE yet. Several magazines have had the ability to capture spy shots of examination cars. According to pictures from Car Scoops, the CLE will certainly bear a solid resemblance to the C-Class convertible that's presently on sale, save for a handful of SL-inspired cues in the grille and front fascia. Powertrain information have also yet to be made available, but we expect to see existing Mercedes engines in the CLE, although perhaps with boosted electrification. The current C300 includes a 255 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo, while the beefier C43 AMG obtains 402 horsepower from a turbocharged 4-cylinder mild hybrid. The insane C63 is presently powered by a twin-turbo V8, however that will be changed in favor of a 671 horsepower crossbreed system in 2024. Mercedes hasn't offered prices or a launch day for the 2024 CLE Class yet, however we expect to see it later in the year. Prices is additionally an enigma, although we anticipate it to err closer to the $60,000 series of the existing C-Class convertible than to the close to $80,000 E-Class cabriolet.